Hello buddies, welcome to Brazilian Education King. So in this video, I am going to explain you about class 8, chapter number 9, reproduction in animals, part 2. So now let us continue. So you know that we were in the last part, we were talking about the stages of the frog. What are the stages of the frog? So now, as you know, there are first understand this. Now you know that when the baby comes, so when the reproduction starts, so this is known as fertilization. So there are two types of fertilization: internal fertilization and external fertilization. As I explained, that internal fertilization, the female gametes, the new individual is inside the female body, and the external reproduction means like the frogs, which I gave the example, like the female gametes come and reproduce. I mean, give the eggs in the lake or water, and now then after this, the male frog comes and produces the sperms, so that they can go and reach the egg. So now there are millions of sperms produced, but most of them are died in the middle of the way because of the fishes. Now these fishes eat the eggs and they destroy it. That's why the female reproduce a lots of eggs in the water. So now from the young ones to adults. So now, what are the stages of the frog? So now, the stages of the frog are eggs, then it will turn to tadpole, then it will turn to an adult. So now here, when we can say that a frog is adult. So we can say that a frog is an adult when it is capable for jumping, high jumps, and swimming. So when the frog is capable for this jumping and swimming, it can call as an adult. So you know there is after the first the egg, then it becomes late tadpole, then it becomes tadpole, then it becomes an adult. Now can you see the excuse me. So now the difference between the tadpole and the adult frog is not so much, means it is only very little difference. So this is about how external reproduction takes place. So now let us proceed to our next. Now there is one more point remaining in this chapter, which is cloning. So now cloning is methods of reproducing the new individual like a Xerox. So now you know. Now let us take a female cell. So any female cell, that any body, any part of the body, we can take blood cell, any cell, normal skin cell. So now this in this cell we'll remove the nucleus. So now imagine any person, any male. So I'll take the name as Shah Rukh Khan, or you can take anyone. So if you take the one nucleus, so you know chloroplast. So this chlorophylls, now this you will take inside the female, the cell. So when this cell will reach in the female, so after some days the reproduction will start. And you know, for the DNA, means when you will grow, then you will look like your father or your mother, because the both DNA is there. But here we remove the DNA of the female and we kept the DNA of the Shah Rukh Khan. So when the baby will come, so it will look exact copy of Shah Rukh Khan. So this is not allowed in the allowed. So this is not allowed, and you do this is very wrong method. So you cannot do cloning. So this is only for understanding base. So now we have learned about some important parts, some important terms. So in the upcoming video we'll discuss about the forward chapters. So till that, bye. Please wash your hands and please be safe from coronavirus, and please don't go outside for any use. Bye.